I read several books, I do meditation, walks in the woods, a new destination. I sit with my feelings, sometimes I'm even journaling. I got a full-time job, though no one pays me, and it's all thanks to you. My friend says I am stuck, I'm too self-aware, but how else will I get any love if there are wounds left to wear?